In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dispenser ice maker fill tube heater in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new fill tube heater, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power and water supply to the refrigerator. The ice maker is located here. To get access, we'll need to remove the top panel, icebox fascia, and icebox assembly. First, we need to remove the 4 shelves. To remove, lift up on the front of the shelf, then up on the back and out to remove. Repeat the same on the remaining shelves. Now, open the water filter compartment and remove these 2 screws with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then, firmly grab the top panel within the water filter opening and pull down. This will require some force. Be careful as it's still connected by a wire. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Next, remove the black waterline retaining clip by placing your fingers on the backside and pulling out and down to release the locking tabs. This may be tricky. Then, disconnect the yellow water line by pushing the retaining collar in while pulling the line out. This may be difficult. When removed, water may drip from the valve. Next, disconnect these 3 electrical connectors by depressing the locking tabs. There are 3 locking tabs holding the fascia in place. Using a flat blade screwdriver, depress the locking tabs. Then, carefully separate the fascia from the fridge as it is still connected by a wire. Now, gently depress the locking tab on the connector and remove the fascia. Next, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 2 screws. Then, pull the icebox assembly towards the front of the fridge to release the locking tabs. Now, peel back the tape and remove the green, white, and black wires from the retainers. Next, using a flat blade screwdriver, remove these 5 screws. Now, pull and tilt up on the back edge of the cover and slide it out of the retaining tabs across the front. Then, push and feed the green, white, and black wire retainer and wire through the cover. Now, remove the heater wires from the retainers. Then, carefully peel back the heater adhesive and tape, securing it to the fill tube and cover. Next, press the fascia electrical connector through the cover. When shopping for a new fill tube heater, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the heater, align the tape to the cover and fill tube and gently press in place. Make sure it is fully adhered. Then, insert the fascia electrical connector through the opening and press the retainer in place and reapply the tape. Now, secure the wires back in the retainers. Now, feed the ice maker wire harness through the opening on the cover and press the retainer in place. Then, rotate the cover, slide it under the retaining tabs, press down, and reinstall the screws. Next, feed the wires back in the retainers. To install the ice box, align the locking tabs on the box to the slots on the top of the fridge and press to the back to lock in place. Make sure the water line is in the correct location. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. To install the fascia, start by positioning it so the small vents are on the left. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, insert the top, rotate down, and snap the 3 tabs back in place. Next, reconnect the 3 electrical connectors by aligning and pressing until they snap in place. Now, reinsert the water line by aligning and pressing until it seats in place. Give a slight pull to ensure it's installed properly. Then, position the black water line retaining clip with the guides facing out and push up to snap in place. To install the top panel, first reconnect the LED electrical connector. Now, insert the 3 retaining tabs on the back of the top panel to the retainers on the fridge compartment. Then, firmly press the panel up to lock into place. And reinstall the 2 screws. To install the shelves, insert at an angle, Hook the rear tabs at the desired height and tilt down. With everything put back together, reconnect the power and water supply to the refrigerator. Allow up to 24 hours for the ice maker to cool down and to start making ice. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.